Today we are going to learn about our colorful words. Our words are in our book, Chloe the Chameleon. While we read the story, I want you to be on the watch for the words that are here that will be in the story. And whenever the words come up, I want you to raise your hand like this. Our first colorful word is chameleon. This is an example of what a chameleon looks like. Chameleons are a type of lizard that can change colors. They change colors whenever they touch different objects. So if a chameleon is on a green leaf, then a chameleon will be green. Has anyone ever seen a chameleon before? They are usually from Africa or Madagascar, and sometimes we might see them in a zoo. Chameleon, a type of lizard that can change colors. Now say the word with me, chameleon. Let's repeat the definition. A type of lizard that can change colors. Our next colorful word is indigo. Indigo is this color, and it is a shade of blue that comes from a tropical plant. Can you all repeat the word after me? Indigo. It gives us a dark blue dye that can be used to dye other things with. Has anyone ever seen this color before? It looks similar to this. It's like a mix of blue and purple. We'll see what this color looks like in our story as well. Let's say the word again, indigo, and then a shade of blue that comes from a tropical plant. So can everyone repeat the definition? Our last colorful word is rainbow. Rainbow is a half circle of color in the sky. Has anyone ever seen a rainbow before? Let's go ahead and repeat the word, rainbow. Rainbow is a half circle of color in the sky. Now we're going to talk about making predictions. Making predictions is when you try to guess what will happen in a story. This can be an event, the outcome, or the climax of the story. When we read the story, we will check to see the predictions that we made as a class if they actually happen or not. Good readers make a lot of predictions about the text to help them better understand the story and the events that are happening. Now we will work on our book walk. You can tell a lot about a book before reading it by looking at it. We'll look at the title page, the content, and the pictures within the book. Our book is Chloe the Chameleon. What do you all think might happen from the title of the story as well as the pictures on it? Now we're going to look at the cover page. This is Chloe the Chameleon, and right now she's the color green. Predictions are really useful to help us figure out what might happen in the story. Good readers make predictions frequently throughout the story, but they might not always be quite right, and that's okay, because sometimes our predictions that aren't quite right can help us learn about what actually happens in the story. Next, we will begin to go through the story and look at the pictures. One of our colorful words is right here, chameleon. Chloe the Chameleon, and this is Chloe. Why do you all think that Chloe changes colors on most every page? She goes from green to red to orange. And in most pictures, she also has her tongue out. Can anyone make a prediction about why she might have her tongue out? Now Chloe is yellow. She has changed colors again, but she doesn't have her tongue out anymore. Can anyone make a prediction as to why she doesn't have her tongue sticking out anymore? Now Chloe is on a green leaf. Do you all think that what she lands on will impact the color that she turns? Here is another one of our colorful words, and this word is indigo. This is the color indigo. Why do you all think that she is this color now? Here is another of our colorful words, rainbow. We're almost at the end of our book, so why do you all think that? What might happen at the end of the story? We're going to make our last prediction about what will happen at the end of the story. Now we are going to read our story, Chloe the Chameleon. Chloe the Chameleon Oh, I see you all have your hand raised. Why do you have your hands raised? Chloe, we are going to replace chameleon with our definition. Chloe, the lizard that can change colors, was good at catching flies. Chloe could see the flies, but they couldn't see her. Then with a flick and a lick, she got them. One day, Chloe was sitting on a big red flower. Chloe was red too. A fly landed on Chloe's nose. A flick, a lick, but the fly was too quick. It got away. The fly went onto an orange flower. Chloe went after the fly. Soon, Chloe was orange too. Then the fly landed on Chloe's nose. A flick, a lick, but the fly was too quick. It got away. Chloe has tried to catch this fly a few times. What is going on in the story that makes her not be able to catch the fly? Let's make a prediction about why she might not be able to catch the fly. Chloe followed the fly. The fly went onto some yellow sand. Soon Chloe was yellow too. Then the fly landed on Chloe's nose. A flick, a lick, but the fly was too quick. It got away. The fly landed on a green leaf. Chloe climbed the tree. Soon Chloe was as green as the leaf. Then the fly landed on Chloe's nose. A flick, a lick, but the fly was too quick. It got away. The fly flew up into the blue sky. Chloe climbed up into the tree. Soon Chloe was as blue as the sky. Chloe saw the fly, but the fly didn't see Chloe. A flick, a lick, but the fly was too quick. It got away. The fly flew up into the sky. Chloe climbed up the tree. The sky got darker. Soon the sky was indigo. Well, you all have your hands raised. Why do you have your hands raised? Chloe climbed up the tree. The sky got darker. Soon the sky was a shade of blue that comes from a tropical plant. Chloe was indigo too. Chloe saw the fly, but the fly didn't see Chloe. A flick, a lick, but the fly was too quick. It got away. The sky got darker and darker. It was violet. Soon Chloe was violet too. It began to rain. With a flick and a lick, Chloe was quick. She got the fly, but Chloe slipped. Why do you all think that the sky is now violet? What might be going on in the story that makes the sky and Chloe violet? She fell down, down, down through the rainbow. Oh, you all have your hands raised again. Why do you have your hands raised? She fell. Let's substitute rainbow with our friendly definition. She fell down, down, down through the half circle of color in the sky. So these are all the colors she fell through, and that is what Chloe the chameleon looks like right now. Let's make one last prediction about what might be happening in our story. And what do we think the rainbow might be about? Chloe sat in the sun and waited for another fly. Okay, now that we've finished reading our story, why might these colorful words be useful to us for our future learning? We've been learning our colors, and indigo is one of the colors. Let's repeat our colors. So what is this color? Red. Good job, guys. Orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. I added in pink because it's my favorite color. So if we were going to put indigo on here, where might we put it? We would put it in between the blue and the violet, because indigo is a mix of blue and violet. We are also, in our science lessons, going to be learning about different types of lizards, and chameleons are one of my favorite types of lizards. Let's go ahead and repeat our colorful words. Chameleon, a type of lizard that can change colors. Indigo, a shade of blue that comes from a tropical plant. Rainbow, a half circle of color in the sky. Why do you all think that Chloe kept changing colors in the story? Do you all think that it helped her catch the fly? Can you all think of a way that humans might have a camouflage like Chloe has? Now we're going to review our prediction chart and see if we have any predictions that are left that we can confirm, which means that they happened, or that we can disprove, which means that they didn't happen. So does anybody want to say which one of our predictions came true in the story? And which ones didn't come true in the story? We are going to circle our predictions that come true, and then we're going to cross out with an X our predictions that weren't true. Did this one happen in our story? Did this one happen in our story? Good job, guys. Now we're going to move on to our next lesson.